Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we'll be tackling a question a lot of you have: how to log into Paramount Plus using your YouTube TV subscription. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. We really appreciate your support. Alright, so you've got YouTube TV, you want to watch all that Paramount Plus goodness like Star Trek, 1883, or the latest NFL game, but you're not quite sure how to link the two. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. We'll walk you through the steps on different devices, like your TV, phone, or computer. Let's get started. Screen recording starts, YouTube TV app/website on a computer. Okay, first, let's do this on a computer. Open your web browser and head to the YouTube TV website, tv.youtube.com. Mouse clicks navigating to Profile/Settings. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Settings. Navigating to Membership/Billing. Now, in the Settings menu, look for Membership. It might also be labeled Billing or Subscription. Click on that. Locating Paramount Plus add-on. Here, you should see a list of any add-on subscriptions you have with YouTube TV. Find Paramount Plus. If you're already subscribed through YouTube TV, you'll see it listed here. Activation link/button. Look for a link or button that says something like Activate Paramount Plus, Link Account, or Sign in to Paramount Plus. Click on that. Redirection to Paramount Plus. This link will redirect you to the Paramount Plus website. Sign-in options. On the Paramount Plus website, you might see a few different sign-in options. Look for something that says Sign in with TV provider or Sign in through YouTube TV. Important asterisk: do not just enter an email and password at this stage, as that won't connect your accounts properly. You need to use the TV provider option. Selecting YouTube TV as provider. A list of TV providers will pop up. Scroll through and find YouTube TV. Select it. Account linking/confirmation. You'll probably be asked to confirm that you want to link your YouTube TV account with Paramount Plus. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. This usually involves signing in with your Google account, the same one you use for YouTube TV, and authorizing the connection. Paramount Plus access granted. Once the linking is complete, you should be automatically signed in to Paramount Plus. You can now start watching. Screen recording starts, YouTube TV app on a phone/tablet. Now let's do it on your phone or tablet. The process is very similar. Open the YouTube TV app. Navigation Profile-Settings. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap Settings.
Navigation, Membership, Billing,
Again, look for Membership or Billing. Tap that. Paramount Plus add-on and activation. Find the Paramount Plus add-on. Just like on the computer, look for an Activate, Link Account, or Sign in button related to Paramount Plus. Tap it. Redirection and Sign in. You'll be redirected to the Paramount Plus app or website, depending on whether you have the app installed. Choose the option to sign in with TV provider, and select YouTube TV. Account linking and confirmation. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your YouTube TV and Paramount Plus accounts, using your Google credentials. Enjoy Paramount Plus. And you're in. Screen recording starts, Smart TV/streaming device. Okay, let's look at how to do this on your Smart TV, Roku, Apple TV, or other streaming device. This is typically the easiest method, but it relies on the Paramount Plus app being installed.
Open Paramount Plus app.
First, find and open the Paramount Plus app on your device. Sign-in options. Choose TV provider. When you launch the app, you'll be presented with sign-in options. Choose Sign in with TV provider. Select YouTube TV. A list of providers will appear. Select YouTube TV. Activation code/website method may vary. You might see an activation code displayed on your TV screen. This is a common way to link accounts on TVs. The screen will instruct you to go to a specific website, usually paramountplus.com/activate, on your computer or phone and enter the code shown on your TV. Enter code on website. Go to the website provided on your computer or phone. Enter the activation code. Sign in with Google/YouTube TV credentials. You'll likely be prompted to sign in with your Google account, the one linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Confirmation and access. Once you sign in and confirm, your Paramount Plus app on your TV should automatically refresh and you'll be logged in.
Asterisk asterisk. Troubleshooting tips. Asterisk asterisk.
Okay, a few troubleshooting tips if you're running into issues. Asterisk, make sure you actually subscribe to Paramount Plus through YouTube TV. You can't just have a regular Paramount Plus subscription and expect it to work. You need to have added it as an add-on to your YouTube TV package. Go back to the YouTube TV settings to verify. Asterisk, use the correct sign-in method. Always choose Sign In with TV Provider and select YouTube TV. Don't create a separate Paramount Plus account with a different email address. Asterisk, clear your browser cache and cookies on computer/phone, or restart your streaming device. Sometimes, old data can interfere with the linking process. Asterisk, contact YouTube TV or Paramount Plus support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. They can help troubleshoot specific issues.
Asterisco asterisco. Outro. Asterisco asterisco.
And that's it. You should now be able to enjoy Paramount Plus using your YouTube TV subscription. Hopefully, this video was helpful. Remember to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.